question may have induced several, his presentation induced several questions. Dasha.
Which do you think is more accurate to real lab work?
To the real lab work?
Yeah.
At the point, okay, let me back up. So when I rigged the pictures off of Gaussian for this, I had just started them running not but about 20 minutes prior. So I didn't let them complete before I looked at the UV-Vis. So at that point, I would think that the VASP shows a more representative spectrum than what our Gaussian would show. But what I want to do is look back at our Gaussian and see what it spat out, and see if that's much different than what I got the first time.
Why do you think there's such a difference between the two?
VASP is going through at a DFT theory, whereas in the Gaussian I set it to run at Hartree-Fock.
So it is not just different software.
It's not just
different
methods, different levels of theory.
So to make them comparable, you need to use the same
level, yeah.
method.
Kevin.
That seems still, I don't know, seems like it's still a pretty huge difference though. Are you sure?
It really is a huge difference, but I'm not looking for, do the spectra line up between your programs? I'm looking for, do they show, say, a similar shift? Do they both show that the spectra changes? That's the most important part. Everything else, garbage.
So you're looking for the trends.
I'm looking for the trends, yes.
What do you learn from your trends?
What do we learn from our trends?
So why, upon complexation with metal ion, you see the red shift?
You see the red shift?
Yeah.
How much theory do you guys want me to get into?
Just tell what you can extract from computation.
What I can extract? Okay. What I can extract is that, yes, these orbital levels are shifting around a little bit. And I think, I remember reading somewhere in the 1.8 unphenyl hydrogenated crown ether that most of these spectra changes were due to the inversion of a pi to pi star. Something like that. Or pi into pi star, something like that. Something with a pi transition.
Okay. Are you convinced?
Cool. I have a question to you more than him.
That's good.
Because it's more of a decision maker. So you use two different methods and two different softwares.
One needs to use much more than 2 methods.
Okay.
Each of the software has about 20 methods.
My question more, why didn't you use like 2 different methods using the same software instead of 2 different methods, 2 different softwares?
This would be realistic. This would be reasonable to try consistent methods and in the same software, or use the same method in the software. Different software. So let's think. And